Hi, very good morning to all, and welcome to my first video on summary of day one of FDP. And during day one, I learned about the Moodle and how to install the Moodle on local server, and also I learned about the admin dashboard details, and then blocks and their setting. And the following links gives the short recorded video, and also you can see the we can also learn about the Ubuntu Linux and OS 16.4 using this tutorial, and Apache MariaDB and PHP, and obtained through XAMPP 5.630 and Firefox web browser. Thank you for listening.